today I'm gonna do a challenge with a friend of mine, Lynn from Hello It's Me.
Hi.
Okay, she's a really good friend of mine and we're gonna play a game. So I found this game at store here in the Netherlands. It's called Push Tucker Challenge. And you have all these things on it and you just have to twist the arrow and then you have to pick one slug or worm or I don't know what the caterpillar, I think. And yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna start, I think, and we don't know which the good ones are or which the horrible ones are, because it says some of the worms and grubs are delicious, but some of them do taste really nasty. So yeah, I thought it was...
They smell really nasty.
Oh, and they smell like poop.
Yeah, they smell really bad.
So yeah, we're just gonna start. You can begin if you want to.
Oh, thanks, mate.
Oh, and we have to drink here, so if we do have some horrible tasty ones,
I can give you one.
Choose somebody to feed me to. No, I have to feed you.
No.
Choose somebody to feed me.
Yes, I have to pick one and said choose somebody to feed me. This is the me. It's not the me.
Okay.
This is the me.
Oh my god.
And
I have a good one.
wait.
Nope.
I have a good one. Nope. You thought wrong.
Okay, this little... it's so gross.
I have a good one.
I don't want to eat it anymore. This is so gross. Can we stop?
Why did it taste like? What did it taste like?
At first it just tastes like chocolate, but second it tastes like... I don't know what it tastes like. Like rotten eggs or something.
Ugh.
I'm not ready.
Oh, my favorite.
Miss a turn. Hey.
Feed me to the person.
I hate you.
Yum 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 yum.
It tastes so gross.
Your face.
Can we stop? Like right now?
No, I don't mind it. I'm having fun.
I hate you.
Love you too.
It's so gross.
We've known each other for 11
Oh.
years now.
Yep. Oh, I forgot to say, my sister's bunnies are like right next to us, so sorry if you hear something in the background. So yeah.
Yes.
I think they all taste horrible. I don't want to eat it anymore. Eat me. Seriously? I don't want to. I don't really want to. Can we stop?
No. I like your face when you're eating.
It doesn't taste good, but it doesn't taste horrible either.
That's a win, I guess.
Yeah, you are. No. No, please eat something. Do it for me.
I will eat something, but now we're playing. If by the end of the game I haven't eaten something, I will eat something.
I hate you so bad.
Love you too.
I don't know what I must think of it. I think this is a good one. It don't. No.
I think no. You're already at 4 and I haven't had
I
one.
hate you. Ha!
It's my turn. Now I'm pretty
I'm
scared.
going for this one. And the camera stopped filming. Your face is so funny. It's gross, isn't it?
No,
I hate you.
it's just the smell is very bad.
They really smell like, yeah, it looks like this, but they really smell like shit or something.
I'm just wondering if they taste bad because they smell bad, or if they taste bad because they have to taste bad, or
Yeah.
maybe they taste bad or because they're home.
That's just
They're just bad.
a moment ago I thought I had a good one, but it doesn't taste good, but it also didn't taste horrible, so I don't know if it's supposed to be a good one, but yeah.
They're still edible. We have till 2008.
Wait, what? No, 2018.
That's what I meant. That's what I meant. We have till 2008.
You're mine.
Thanks.
Hey.
I eat one. For you. Because I love you.
Thank you.
This one doesn't smell that bad.
No, but it still smells bad.
I don't know.
I have the same problem. I don't know which one are the good ones or the bad ones.
No, same. I don't know.
They all taste horrible.
But they don't taste that horrible. It's very hard because you're eating and you think, is this a good one?
Yes, I know what you mean.
And so you're very hesitant, but I don't know.
I know what you mean. I don't know what to think of it. But my nose is red. Do we have to go through this? I don't want to eat anymore. Choose somebody to feed me. Huh. They look like white chocolates, but they're not white chocolates. They taste awful. This looks fun. It's the horrible one, or
I don't know. No, it's horrible.
I don't know. Oh, it's horrible. Your face is funny.
Thanks, babe.
Do you know what I feel right now?
Yeah, I don't know what the taste is. It's just horrible.
I still have the horrible
Usually
taste in my
you
mouth.
can say, oh, it tastes like this, but I never tasted it.
Yeah.
But they all taste a little bit like that. I mean,
Yeah.
this one was a little bit.
I don't know what the
worse.
difference is. Like, they all taste bad, but some of them are just worse. And yeah. But it's really funny because here it says some of the worms and grubs are delicious, but some of them are nasty. Here, look. Like this. And they are not delicious at all.
Not even a little bit.
Nope. It was your turn, right?
Yes.
Fuck me. Yeah, I had the same problem just a moment ago, so. And. What do you think? I know how you feel.
I'm very sad because they're white chocolate and I love white chocolate.
Yep. Was my turn? Or your turn?
Your turn.
Oh, fuck off.
Ha.
I go for this one.
It's very funny because now it looks like that there are a lot of feed them to another one, but it's just like
This
feed
one.
me to the person opposite of you.
Yep.
Choose somebody to feed me to.
You're supposed to play with more players, I think.
Feed me to the person on your right. Feed me to the person on your left, and that's what. And you have
this one
visitor
smells
eat me.
so horrible.
Yeah, they smell really bad.
I don't want to eat it.
You can do it, girl. I take bigger bites than you, so that's.
Nope.
I think that was a horrible one.
Nope.
Ew. She puked it out. Spit it out. There's no puke.
I don't want to anymore. I really don't want to. You are. It's your turn.
Are we gonna do all of them?
Should we stop?
Yes.
Yes, please.
We're stuck.
Okay, so we're gonna stop because we can't handle it anymore. I know this was a challenge, but
maybe we did all the bad ones, or
no, I don't think what you taste different, but yeah, I don't know. It's just, but yeah, it's a fun game to play, but for one time, not for a second time. Sorry. We are distracted by the bunnies. But
the bunnies are very cute.
Yeah, so so this is what I got left. This, don't mind the batteries. And this is what Lynn got left.
But I ate one whole. So,
yeah,
because I'm a badass.
I'm very proud of you.
Very bad.
But I guess you won this challenge. So yeah.
I didn't spit it out, so.
Okay. So yeah, guys, this was it for today, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Probably we're gonna do more of these challenges what happened? Probably we're gonna do more of these challenges in the future,
Because
just to
because
torture ourselves.
We're friends.
Yeah, just to
We
torture.
like to torture each other.
Yep. But yeah, so so guys, I will see you next time, and I hope you liked the videos. If you liked this video, thumbs up, and if you want to see more of me and her in the future, please subscribe to my channel, and I will link her channel down below.
Leave a comment if you want to see me more, because I know you want to.